Hello friends, let us start with the exercise 3.3, the third problem. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be parallelogram if angle D plus angle B is 180? So, angle D plus angle B is 180. Can it be like that? It can be, but not necessary. If both the angles are 90, then it is okay, but not necessary that it should be 90 all the time, because this is a parallelogram, these are the sides parallel, that's why not necessary that it should be equal. Therefore it can be 90, then it will be 180. Then AB is equal to DC. AB is this side, is equal to DC 8 centimeters. But AD is equal to 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters and this is 4.4 centimeters. So no. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. This is a symbol for parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, but here AD is not equal to BC. That's a reason. The next one, angle A, this is 70 and this is 65. So you have to say no. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, but here angle A is not equal to angle C. Now we have been asked to draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram, but exactly two opposite angles are of equal measure. Among them, one, this diagram is of kite. Opposite sides are equal. This is equal to this side, and here we can see this angle is equal to this angle. So the answer we can say is kite. Two opposite angles are of equal measure. Next problem. The adjacent angles, will name them A, B. These are the adjacent angles. These are in the ratio of 3:2. So we have to find the measure of each angle. So we'll name them. Let the adjacent angles be 3x, 2x, and the property 3x plus 2x, that is adjacent angles are supplementary. So 5x is 180, 3 plus 2 5, and x is 180 upon 5. So we can divide this 5 and 18. 5 3 is a 15 and 30 here, 5 6 a 30. So x is 36. Now we have to find out 3x and 2x. 3x is 3 into 36. 3 6 18, 3 39 plus 1 10, 108. And 2x is 2 into 36 is 72 degrees. So you can say A, B, C and D. So angle A, if I take this as 3x, this as 2x, angle A equals to 3x is 108, angle A equals to angle C equals to 108, and angle B equals to 72, equals to, what you will write here, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Angle B is 72 degrees, therefore angle D also will be, so angle D is 72 degrees. What is the reason? Again here, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked today's problem. Share this video with your friends and classmates. See you all with the next video with the next time.